Tomorrow, singer David is expected back in LA Superior Court, accused of stabbing and dismembering 14-year-old Celeste Rivas Hernandez before her remains were found in the trunk of his Tesla.
Well, that hearing could lead to the highest profile trial of the year, and CBS LA's Gio Insignares is here to walk us through what to expect in the next steps of this murder case. Gio.
Yeah, Pat Rudabay, good evening to you both. Lots of attention on this one, as we are all well aware. The singer, whose real name is David Burke, facing several charges, including first-degree murder, sexual abuse of a child, and unlawful mutilation of human remains. He's already pleaded not guilty, and now a judge will decide if there's enough evidence for a case to move forward and go to trial.
This is going to be one of the biggest cases in recent Los Angeles history.
Former federal prosecutor Nima Rahmani expects lots of attention on singer David Burke and what happens next as the case against him is laid out. A preliminary hearing is the step before a trial, where a judge, not a jury, decides whether prosecutors have enough evidence to move the case forward.
Tomorrow's preliminary hearing is a mini trial before the judge. There's no jury present, and the judge just has to find probable cause.
Compared to a conviction, this is a much lower bar, and the expectation is that the judge will set this case for a jury trial. But criminal defense experts like Lou Shapiro believe this hearing will be more than just a formality.
What it's used for is the defense is trying to test the evidence to see, are the witnesses credible? Does the evidence match to what the charges are? Are there holes in the prosecution's case?
Prosecutors say they'll present text messages, cell records, surveillance video, and DNA. They allege Burke and Rivas Hernandez had a sexual relationship for years before she threatened to expose their relationship and derail his music career. According to court documents, Burke arranged a rideshare to bring the 14-year-old to his Hollywood Hills home in April of 2025, then fatally stabbed her. He then allegedly tried to cover his tracks, buying items under a fake name to dispose of her body, and even texting and calling her as if she were still alive. Her body was later found in the front trunk of his Tesla in September.
There's overwhelming evidence in this case. I can't see any world where the judge finds no probable cause.
There is a lot of dots that one could connect. The preliminary hearing will serve to really connect them.
If convicted, Burke faces the death penalty or life in prison without the possibility of parole. LA County District Attorney Nathan Hochman has not said yet whether his office will seek the death penalty, a decision that will be watched closely.
That was one of his campaign issues, that he was going to be tough on crime, focused, laser sharp. And I think this is a case that he can use to show everyone that he is meeting what he said he would.
The hearing is expected to last anywhere from 3 to 7 days. If the judge finds probable cause, the next step is setting a trial date. Both experts we talked to tonight expect the trial itself won't begin until sometime next year.